Hello students, today we will do the remaining question of exercise 3C. Let's start. Question number 4. Find the difference between the smallest number of 7 digits and the largest number of 4 digits. Dear students, you already know about difference. What is the means of difference? Difference is the result of two numbers subtraction. So for find the difference we need two numbers. So in this question we will find the difference between the smallest number of 7 digits and the largest number of 4 digits. How do we find the smallest number of any digits? How do we find the largest number? This you already studied in previous classes, means in small classes, in even 4th standard, 5th standard. So first of all, we will write smallest 7 digit number. So how do you write? Because of 7 digits, so first digit should be 1 and left 6 digit, because total number of digits should be 7, because we are finding the 7 digit number. And for smallest, so first digit should be 1 and rest of digits, first digit is 1, it means rest of digit will be 6. So 6 times you will write 0. First 1 and rest of digits means 6 digit, it will be 0. 6 times 0. And largest 4 digit number, so how many digits largest number you will find? Number of digits 4, that's why 4 times you will write 9, it means 9999. So now we have both numbers, the smallest number of 7 digit and the largest number of 4 digit, and simple subtractions. So this kind of subtraction you already did by shortcut method. So we can write 9999 in short form, 10,000 minus 10,000 plus 1. And why we write in this form? Because it is easy for 1-0 form is easy for subtractions. So we will subtract from 7 digit smallest number to 10,000. Then so you will add, because of odd mass rule, first of all we will do add. Our 7 digit smallest number is in the positive form and this one is also positive. First we do add in these two numbers, then we subtract. So we will get, so finally we will get 9,90,001. 9,90,001. Let's see next question. Our next question is question number 5. Ravi opened his account in a bank. Ravi named one boy and he opened one bank account by depositing. Depositing means fix. We will fix means not fix. You can say this word means you can give to bank. You can save your in bank account. You can deposit. Deposit means, so 1,36,000 amount he deposit in his bank account, Ravi. Next day he withdraw. Withdraw means take out from your account. Firstly you submitted there, then when you take out, that word in banking language is called withdraw. So rupees 73,123 from it. From it means from this amount. 1,36,000 amount when he was deposit, that from there, from this account, from this amount he withdraw, he take out 73,129. How much money was left with his account? So starting he had this much money, then he left out, he take out some from this money. So what to do? We do subtraction. So money deposited by Ravi 1,36,000. Money withdraw by Ravi 73,129. Money left in his account, we will subtract starting amount and took out amount. So 1,36,000 minus 73,129, we will get 62,871. So now at last 62,879 is left in Ravi's account. Let's see our next question. Rest of 2 questions is also word problem. So rest of the questions do by yourself. Let's see question number 8. Find the whole number n when n means this n. Find the whole number value of this n when you have this equation 9 plus 4 is equal to 9. So transposition method you know already. When we transfer any mathematical sign in opposite side means in equal side, positive when we transfer so it's become negative, negative we will transfer so it's become positive, divide we will transfer another side in of equal, so divides become multiply and multiply become divide. So same here we will apply here transposition rule, because we need value of n and constant value we will keep one on separate side, then we will find the variables value. So because of 4 in this left side in the positive form, when we transfer in right hand side so it's become positive to negative. So n minus 4 we will get 5. So finally value of n is 5. Let's see rest question. Question number 4. n minus 20,568 is equal to 21,403. So same here we will apply transposition rule. Negative 20,568 when we transfer to right side, from negative when reached another side so it's become positive. So now 21,403 plus 20,568, 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus 1 1 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So students, this exercise is completed. This question number 8 is the last question of exercise 3C. So I hope so students you understand these all questions. Today is your homework. Complete your notebook exercise 3C. Thank you.